What do you want to do?
Put all the cars in the swimming pool.
Which cars?
Those ones in the swimming pool.
You want to put all those cars in the swimming pool?
Yeah.
Ready? Okay. Let's see. Can you say it together? Ready, steady, go! Oh, did you see that?
Slide? Hey, you want to put this one on the slide? Okay, put it down the slide. Who's that? Everett. Paw Patrol. Oh, that was cool. Rubble. Okay, let's try that one. Who do you have in there? Doc Hudson. Okay, Diego, I think Thomas is gonna go. Can you say it with me? Ready, steady,
Go.
go! Whoa! That was cool.
How about Mac?
How about Mac? Okay, let's try Mac.
Mac will slide down.
Okay, let's try Mac. Are you ready?
Daddy?
Ready, steady,
Go.
go! Whoa!
How about Ramon?
Ramon? Okay, let's try Ramon. Here.
Ready?
Are you ready?
Daddy?
Steady,
Go.
go! Whoa!
How about...
Is that Fillmore?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try Fillmore. Okay, Diego, you have to say ready, steady, go.
Ready, Daddy, go!
Whoa!
Doc Hudson.
Doc Hudson now?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try Doc Hudson. Are you ready, Diego?
Daddy?
Ready,
Daddy?
steady,
Go.
go! Wow!
The tank.
Okay, let's try that one. Who's this one?
The tank.
Okay, let's try the tank. Okay, ready, Diego? Say it again. Ready,
Daddy?
steady, go! Yay!
Yeah.
Ready, steady, go!
I'm Mater.
Okay, let's try Mater. Go, Mater, go! Okay, ready, Diego? Ready, steady, go!